What if you could get a full body workout within 4 minutes of waking up? Would that interest you? Well, that's exactly what you'll learn how to do in this video. Hey there, Coach Tyler here from warriormade.com, where we help people just like you transform your body and life with our workouts, diet tips, and nutritional supplements. And today, I'm gonna show you how to get a full body workout that you can do right as you wake up that will only take you 4 minutes. In fact, this is one of the best ways for anyone to start their day, is I'll be showing you how to strengthen your core, warm up your hips, knees, and ankles, stretch your spine, work your hamstring flexibility, and give you a better set of glutes, all in just 4 minutes. All you have to do is follow along to this routine in the morning and you'll feel amazing. Also, if you find yourself enjoying this short workout routine, then make sure you stick around to the end of this video, because I want to share with you how you can try our full-length follow-along workouts that we give our Warrior Made tribe every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday for free. People have been using these workouts to get amazing results with zero equipment from the comfort of their own home, and you will too. But first, let me show you how you can get a great workout in just 4 minutes after you wake up. Now, before you jump in, the thing that is most important to us at warriormade.com is that you get results. And in order to make sure that you're doing exercises that are right for your body, I always like to ask people to check with their doctor to make sure that everything we're asking you to try is okay for you. Once you're clear with them, then it's time to try the 4 exercises and the 4-minute routine that I'll be sharing with you today. So here's how this is gonna work. First, I'll share with you the 4 exercises that you'll be doing for this 4-minute morning workout. Then, I'll share with you exactly how to put these 4 exercises into a 4-minute morning routine that you can do every single day to strengthen your core, warm up your hips, knees, and ankles, stretch your spine, work your hamstring flexibility, and give you a better set of glutes, all in just 4 minutes. Okay, now that you know what to expect, let's dive into the exercises. All right, the first exercise is called reverse crunches. And why I chose this exercise is because I literally wanted you to be able to wake up first thing in the morning, throw your covers off, and immediately start doing this morning routine. So here's how this is gonna work. You're gonna wake up in the morning, you're gonna toss off your covers, and then the first thing you're gonna do is bring both of your feet up right underneath your butt, place your hands right underneath your butt, press your lower back into the ground. I say this every time I talk about leg raises or reverse crunches. You have to press your lower back into the ground like you're trying to smash the mattress. And then bring your heels up off the ground, tap your heels, and come back up. So you're gonna inhale as you go down, exhale as you come back up. And the biggest thing again to remember is that you're always maintaining that core position, pressing the lower back into the ground, dropping the ribs, tall to the top of your head. Now, you can vary how difficult this is for you by extending your legs. So if it's too hard, bend your knees and simply do a very small range of motion. If it's too easy, straighten your legs more, almost to the point where your legs are completely straight. And what you can use to gauge whether or not you should stick your legs out or in is how much you're pushing your lower back into the ground. If you feel you start to arch that lower back, bend your knees. If you feel like your core is really stable and strong, straighten your legs a little bit. So, you can do this exercise with a bunch of different variations depending on how much you want to straighten your legs, and then move on to exercise 2. All right, for the second exercise, after you finish your reverse crunches, I want you to swing your legs to the edge of your bed and come into a seated position. Now, a sit to stand is really similar to a squat. So I'm gonna walk you through how to do it with perfect form. Okay, to start, you're gonna wanna look down at your feet and make sure that your heels are slightly wider than hip width. So if you put your hands on the outsides of your hips and draw them straight forward, your heels will be right to the outside of your hips. From there, you're gonna put 70% of the pressure in your heels and 30% of the pressure in the balls of your feet, and split that difference between your pinky toe and your big toe. Really press the feet into the ground the entire time. Okay, from there, think about your knees. Don't let your knees cave in as you stand up. Make sure your knees stay out, and what you really want to think about is that your thigh bone is pointing the same direction as your toes. Not like this, because this is your knee caving inward and your toes are pointing like this. You want to bring them back into alignment with that one line being perfectly straight. From there, you can bring your arms out in front of you and use your hips to stand all the way up. So stand up, that's your first stand of the day, and you're gonna inhale as you go down, exhale as you go up, really thinking about that knee position and pushing that heels in 70% and the balls of your feet in about 30%. And on the way down, think about pushing your butt back. Don't think about bending your knees forward. So you really wanna emphasize your hips and de-emphasize your knees. And you can repeat the sit to stand throughout this workout, and then when you're finished with it, go on to exercise number 3. Exercise 3, simple side bends. After you finish your sit to stands, all you have to do is finish by standing at the top, and then you're gonna do what's called a simple side bend. This is a great exercise for stretching and strengthening the spine and strengthening the obliques on the sides of your core, which are great for getting rid of your love handles. So the easy way to do this is place one hand on your hip, and you're gonna press that hand into the hip as you reach your other hand across your body as far as you can. And all you're gonna do is come back and forth from side to side, going as far as you can on each rep. Now, when you reach your hand over your body, you're not trying to crumple your body to the side like this. You're trying to reach your ribs and torso towards the sky. So watch the difference. This is you trying to crumple your body to the side. It's putting a lot of compression right here. This is you trying to extend your body to the side. So you'll see I'm a few inches taller when I try to do that. It's gonna give you a deeper stretch on this side. It's gonna activate the core muscles on the side that you're bending away from. So just keep repeating those simple side bends. And when you're finished with those, go on to exercise number 4. The final exercise is called a drinking bird. So stay standing, bring your feet this time right underneath your hips with your toes facing straight forward, and keep your knees and toes facing straight forward the whole time. For this exercise, as you hinge to the hips, as you bend forward, I want you to keep 90% of the weight on your heels. So you're really sitting back into your heels on this exercise, okay? From there, you're gonna take your hands, you're gonna clasp them behind your head, and you're gonna drive your elbows backwards. So don't let your elbows come forward like this and your upper back round forward. What you're trying to do is pull your shoulder blades back and together, almost like you're trying to think about pushing your elbows together behind your back. From there, maintain a nice arch in your lower back. So you don't want to let your back round as you come down. You wanna keep your spine one piece from your tailbone to the top of your head as you hinge to the hips and come back up. And try not to worry too much about the knees. Just keep them soft, don't bend them too much, and don't keep them straight. So this is what the drinking bird looks like. Hands behind the head, you're gonna be 90% in those heels, hinge to the hips, soft knees, pull the elbows back behind you as far as you can. When you start to feel like you wanna round forward, that's when you wanna stop, press into the heels, and stand back up. So just complete those repetitions, inhaling down, exhaling up, really thinking about 90% of the weight in the heels, pushing the butt back, getting that deep stretch in the backs of the hamstrings, and really thinking about driving those elbows backwards the whole time to really improve the posture by opening up your chest. Now, you're gonna repeat this over and over again for the last exercise, and here's how to put all 4 exercises together into a 4-minute morning routine that's gonna make you feel amazing. Okay, as soon as you wake up in the morning, have a timer nearby that you can set for 1 minute. Then, toss your covers off, set that timer for 1 minute, and do 1 minute of reverse crunches. After you finish that, swing your legs out and come to a seated position on the edge of your bed. Then, set that timer for another minute and do 1 minute of sit to stands. After that timer ends, stay standing and set the timer for another minute and do 1 minute of simple side bends. Finally, set the timer one more time for 1 last minute and do a set of drinking birds. After you finish the drinking birds, you'll have done a 4-minute morning routine that will leave you feeling amazing. So, give this routine a shot the next time you wake up, and I promise that you'll be hooked. And if you like this routine and want to try out our other full-length follow-along workouts featuring some of these same exercises, Then I put a link in the description below where you can try them for free. And if you've never seen these before, they are high quality, follow along home workouts that our Warrior Made tribe has used to get amazing results in how their bodies look and feel. In fact, here's a few selfie videos from people using these workouts to show you what other people are saying.
Really love your workouts because they make me feel strong and powerful, and I can actually do them and feel great and get results.
Compared to other workouts I've done, this is just incredible. Helps me to stay focused, helps me to achieve.
These workouts are the shortest workouts by far that I've ever tried that have delivered the most results than ones that I've tried in the past.
You follow along. He tells you how to do it. There are modifications, and you're doing it in the privacy of your own home. No one has to see whether you do it perfectly, whether you mess up, whether you poop out in the middle.
To see the different capabilities and the good instruction that's there, it's absolutely like having a personal trainer right in my garage.
After following these workouts, my body feels strong and energized, and I feel like the upgraded version of myself.
As you can see, our workouts work. So why not give them a shot, right? I put a link where you can try them in the description below. So just give that a click and check out our full-length follow-along workouts for free. And before I go, can I ask you to do me 3 quick favors? First, since you watched this far, then you clearly like this video. And I think you'll like our other videos too. So please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the little bell icon. When you do this, you'll get notified when our new videos come out so you can stay on top of all the best workouts and tips that will help you transform the body and life faster. Second, if you have a friend, family member, or coworker who you know would love these 4 exercises, please make sure to share this video with them. And last, leave a comment below and let me know how you felt after you tried this morning routine, or simply ask us a question so we can make another video just like this one to help you solve your biggest problems. All right, that's it for today. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon in our next video.